Hello, beautiful people. It's me again, Tom Singh from Theta Digitals. All right, so today we are still continuing on Marksheet educational platform tutorials. We've released a lot of videos. I can't even start listing every one of them, so you can just go to our profile on YouTube, go to the playlist. But we are going to pack everything in a single playlist, and we're going to call it Marksheet walkthrough. All right, so we'll go through it. It is arranged accordingly. So today we have a very short tutorial to give today. Yeah, very short tutorial. Now that tutorial is about picking your class captain and assistant class captain in your school. Now I know you might think, what's the essence of getting class captain? What's the essence of getting assistant class captain? Now they really have a lot of job to do in your school, especially if you be getting the we have an add-on called period tracker. All right, period tracker. Now let me explain what this add-on does. The add-on is actually for the management of the school. It lets you track your teachers. Even if they are out of the country, you can track them if they are going to classes by the time they are supposed to go or not. So what happens is that whenever a teacher goes into a class, we have curriculum for all classes. Yeah, we have curriculum. We have the syllabus that we've imported. So the period tracker works with this syllabus. Week 1, a teacher goes into a class. He's supposed to take a subject, right? Then, once the teacher takes the subject, he or she logs into his dashboard at the end of the subject and goes to period tracker if the add-on is activated, and is going to click thoughts, which means I've taken this subject. Now, you as the admin, probably you're in school or not, you would see that the teacher has actually marked it as thoughts, but it won't be verified until either the class captain or the assistant class captain verifies it. That means any of those two in the class. A teacher can just sit without going to class and say, well, I've taken the subject, all right? But without the class captain or the assistant in that particular class, they'll be the ones to verify. Now, once they verify, you as the admin will know that, okay, this teacher is working. And if a teacher is marking thoughts and you see that the class captain is not verifying or the assistant, so you can call them. Wait, you've not verified these topics, but this teacher has told us that he or she has taken the subject. Now, the class captain will be able to tell you, yeah, sir, this person has not taken the subject. He's just marking it in his office. You understand? So you can call the class teacher in front of the student and ask him, please, you're marking this thing as taught, but the student said you've not taken them this subject. This helps you to track what is happening in the school. So that is one of the reasons why you need to choose a class captain and an assistant class captain. So that was beautiful. So how do we do that? You go to academic and you go to classes. It's really, really simple. It's just going to be a very short tutorial, right? Now you can see for JSS1 we have 12 students. We have students for all classes. Now underneath this, we are going to see something called manage captains. It's going to bring a list of all the students that we have. All right. Then you're going to choose one that is going to be the class captain and the person that is going to be the assistant. So let's just pick one person. Let's pick Ajayi Peters. I'm going to pick Ajayi Peters as class captain, and I'm going to pick Musa Bello as the vice class captain. So as you can see here, Ajayi Peters is the class captain, Musa Bello is the assistant captain. Now we are going to do something. You see the difference between a normal student, a class captain, and a vice class captain, right? So we have Ajayi Peters and we have Musa Bello, right? Now I'm going to go to people. I'll go to students, right? Let's go to SS1. Let's see ordinary students, right? Ordinary student. This is Suleiman Abubakar, which is using 37, right? So this person is using, okay, let me fix this department. So we have DMC 00037. Now I need the date of birth 0507-2009. So let me log in as, I'm going to log in as this person 0507-2009 and 37. So I'm going to sign out. Now log in as a student. So 1 minute, please. I'm going to log in as a student, which is DIMC 00037. So we have 0507-2009. Yeah, that is the date of birth of the student. So let me log in as this person. Now you can see that this is just a normal student. There's nothing like There's nothing telling you this person is a class captain or is not a class captain. All right. There's nothing telling you this person is a class captain or this person is not. Okay, see what happened here. All the timetable we updated in the last video, the students will see it on their dashboard that their timetable has been updated. So if this student goes to their timetable, they can see what they're having. You see, so that's something. So you can see what we have here. Now I'm going to sign out here, sign in as the admin again. Then I'll go to people, I'll go to student, I'll look for our class captain for SS1, which is Peters, Ajayi Peters, 00002. I can still remember the password. So I'm going to log out. I'm going to sign in as a student, Ajayi Peters, DMC 00002, and the password. Okay, so I'm going to log in as DIMC 00002, password. All right, now you can see something here, class captain badge, badge, and here you can see period tracker, of which the last student did not have because they are not a class captain. So this is the reason you need to pick class captain and assistant class captain in your school. So this is going to be the end of today's video tutorial. Like I said, it's going to be a very short one. So thanks for watching and see you in the next tutorial. Now, in the next tutorial, we are going to discuss about the period tracker add-on, so we can explain in details. See you next video.